Question number 1. I need to buy. Apples from the market. A. Some. B. Much. C. Any. Question number 2. I am not very good. Singing. A. At. B. On. C. To. Question number 3. I am. Because I didn't sleep well. A. Happy. B. Tired. C. Exciting. Question number 4. The weather is. Today. Let's go for a walk. A. Hot. B. Bad. C. Sunny. Question number 5. He. A bath when the phone rang. A. Was taking. B. Takes. C. Taking. Question number 6. He. Play the piano when he was 5. A. Must. B. Can. C. Could. Question number 7. She always. Breakfast at 8 a.m. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having. Question number 8. He has. His keys and can't find them. A. Loses. B. Lose. C. Lost. Question number 9. If it. Tomorrow we will stay at home. A. Raining. B. Rain. C. Rains. Question number 10. I have never. Sushi before. A. Eat. B. Ate. C. Eaten. Question number 11. She. From France. A. Comes. B. Come. C. Coming. Question number 12. I. A student. A. Are. B. Is. C. Am. Question number 13. I usually. Up at 7 a.m. A. Gets. B. Wake. C. Wakes. Question number 14. She. A book when I saw her. A. Reads. B. Is reading. C. Was reading. Question number 15. My brother. Play the guitar well. A. May. B. Must. C. Can. Question number 16. The movie was very. A. Boring. B. Bore. C. Bored. Question number 17. They. In Canada since 2015, A. Lived, B. Live, C. Have lived. Question number 18. We need sugar to bake the cake. A. Any. B. An. C. Some. Question number 19. If I. A car I would drive to work. A. Have. B. Had. C. Will have. Question number 20. There is milk in the fridge. A. Any. B. Many. C. Some. Question number 21. We went to the beach. It was sunny. A. So. B. But C. Because. Question number 22. She has finished her homework. A. Yet. B. Already. C. Ever. Question number 23. What time? The train leaves. A. Do. B. Is. C. Does. Question number 24. The opposite of happy is A. Excited. B. Friendly. C. Sad. Question number 25. She is. Then her sister. A. More intelligent. B. Very intelligent. C. Most intelligent.